As indicated by our Fetch.ai cost expectation, the cost of FET is anticipated to increment by $0.010933 throughout the following 7 days, coming to $0.225313 by October 2, 2023. Assuming you for the most part are looking for Fetch.ai market gauge, examination or cost expectation, you presumably need to explicitly know where the cost of Fetch.ai FET may go from here on out. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to foresee future cost developments. As a matter of fact, this value expectation is pointed toward noting a large portion of in every way that really matters, your inquiries. Will Fetch.ai FET recover its all-time high, which for the most part is very huge? What will Fetch.ai really be worth, all things considered, 1 month from now, in spite of mainstream thinking? Is currently the perfect opportunity to really purchase Fetch.ai, which generally is very huge? Is Fetch.ai at present appearance bullish or negative signs? In this Fetch.ai cost expectation estimate, we will handle different FET specialized pointers to anticipate the cost of Fetch.ai, especially Fetch.ai FET value expectations. Throughout recent days, Fetch.ai has been giving negative indications as the coin dropped 7.94%. Because of this, we expect a slight recuperation inside the following week, as financial backers essentially make the most of this plunge as a chance to purchase FET. Beneath you can see the Fetch.ai hourly, day-to-day, week-after-week and month-to-month cost forecasts. These forecasts plan to provide you with a sign of what Fetch.ai will be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the course of the following week and 1 month from now. Fetch.ai FET authentic cost and market examination. The ongoing cost of Fetch.ai is $0.21438, and it is as of now essentially positioned number 139 out of all digital forms of money. How much stock as of now available for use for Fetch.ai by and large is 812,909,125, with an especially complete market capitalization of $173,660,700, which is very critical. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of Fetch.ai has diminished by 1.89%. Fetch.ai has encountered a for the most part tough time picking up speed throughout recent days, down 7.94% in a significant way. FET is giving negative indications this week. Presently could generally be in every practical sense great opportunity to truly contribute in the event that you really are considering purchasing Fetch.ai. Inside the essentially most recent 30 days, the cost of FET expanded by 2.73%, adding $0.005697 to its past worth of $0.208683, and pushing the market capitalization to $173,660,700. Assuming that you are considering purchasing Fetch.ai today, you ought to hold on until another bear market to put resources into FET. The cost of Fetch.ai truly has essentially dropped by 8.21% over the most recent 3 months, wiping out $0.019175 from its past worth of $0.233554. Incredibly, our Fetch.ai market gauges most certainly are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which basically investigate different specialized pointers, for example, the really relative strength list, RSI, moving normal union difference, MACD, moving truly normal, MAMA, sort of normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB, which is very critical. The crypto market explicitly is known to be exceptionally unstable. Foreseeing future costs of Fetch.ai is a troublesome undertaking, and truly numerous really different elements impact the cost. Subsequently, the forecasts on our site ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to especially do your own examination. Counsel especially your monetary guide prior to settling on any venture choices. Fetch.ai FET value expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that Fetch.ai will generally accomplish an extremely greatest cost of $0.385883, as the market certainly begins to recuperate, or so they explicitly thought. The base expected cost fundamentally is $0.257256, and the typical cost will float around $0.321569. Fetch.ai FET value expectation 2024. As Fetch.ai proceeds to especially arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, Fetch.ai can accomplish a most extreme cost of $0.600263, while the in every practical sense normal cost for the year will especially remain around $0.535949. In the event that a bear market shows up, the base value FET can really reach in 2024 is $0.471635. Fetch.ai, FET Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we for the most part anticipate that Fetch.ai should see noteworthy development as crypto earns respect across commonly numerous business areas. Thus, the cost could reach as high as $0.814643, averaging around $0.750329. Fetch.ai could see a truly least cost of $0.686015 in an unobtrusive manner. Fetch.ai, FET Value Forecast 2026. With the proceeded with development of truly capital in the crypto market, Fetch.ai could arrive at a greatest cost of $1.03 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.964708. If an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast sits at $0.900394. Fetch.ai, FET Value Forecast 2027. Considering the reception of FET by nations all over the planet, Fetch.ai can guarantee a greatest cost of $1.24 by 2027, with a kind of typical cost of $1.18 anticipated. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could in every practical sense see $1.11, or so they thought. Fetch.ai, FET Value Expectation 2028. In the year 2028, Fetch.ai reception will for the most part keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is here to in every practical sense remain amazingly. Financial backers could see FET arriving at a greatest cost of $1.46 by 2028 in every way that really matters, trailed by a base cost of $1.33. The extremely normal cost for 2028 is supposed to be $1.39. Fetch.ai, FET Value Expectation 2029. Of every 2029, sort of because of the development throughout recent years, we will sort of see one more sort of significant bull, and that implies that Fetch.ai financial backers might see FET basically accomplish a very most extreme cost of $1.67 all things considered, trailed by a normal cost of $1.61. The base cost got from our specialized investigation is $1.54. Fetch.ai, FET Value Expectation 2030. For the year 2030, FET is supposed to keep on mobilizing towards $1.89 in view of market opinion, or so they thought. Neglecting to acquire this help could by and large see Fetch.ai normal around $1.82 and base out $1.76. Fetch.ai, FET Value Expectation 2031. This year will be one to in a real sense recollect for Fetch.ai. In 2031, we expect that FET will come to another ath of $2.10. The new least cost of Fetch.ai could be $1.97. The most awful case situation certainly is that FET closes 2031 at $2.04. What really is the Fetch.ai, FET cost today? Today, Fetch.ai, FET, sort of is as of now exchanging at $0.214338, with a genuinely all-out market cap of $173,660,000.